Children, we already completed our chapter. Now we are going to discuss the question answer. First of all, you learn and write down glossary. You will get page number 32. Then A number, choose the correct answer. Here 4, 5. Then B number, state whether the sentence are true or false and correct the sentence. Here it is there. Then fill in the blanks. Then D number 1, you will write down from here the mountains formed due to the volcanic eruptions are known as volcanic mountains. Then D number 2, you will get page number 32. Recap here D2, 5th point. Then D3, page number 24. Page number 24, here you will get water, wind, ice and temperature. Then D4, you start from here, the plateau is enclosed known as, here you can get an example also you have to write. Then D5, page 24, D5, here you can write down this one. This is the process of aggregation. Then from here you can write collection of eroded material is called deposition. Then E1, page number 29. E1, page number 29. Here from here just write down this up to Nagpur area. This is E1 answer. Then E2, page number 28. E2, here you will get plateau are the plateaus that are formed up to irregular. Example, Deccan Plateau in India. Example, Deccan Plateau in India. Then D3, page number 30. E3, from here to here. E4, how are coral islands formed? Page number 31. You write from here, coral islands are formed, just cut down this one, by up to which form coral islands. Example, you will write down. Then E5, how are Rift Valley formed? Page number 27. You will get here page number 27. Rift Valley are formed by up to plates. Then F1, write a short note on depositional plant. Page number 29. Here you can write down, they are formed due to the deposition of soil from one place to another. Then first point, flood plants, you write up to here, India, here to here. Then 2 point, deltaic plan up to. Then 3, coastal plains up to inland form plains. Then 4, glacier. Then 5, lava up to here, up to here. Then F2, what are the 3 kinds of islands? Describe them briefly. Page 30. Page 30. Write down this one first point. Continental islands, then river islands. Here you write, these were the mankind up to here. Then islands may be formed mouth of the earth. Example, you don't forget to write example. Then oceanic islands, then coral islands. Coral, you start from here, coral islands are formed, no need to write here, and example you write up to here. Explain how landforms affect the lifestyle of the people. Page number 31. Start from here. Lifestyle, page number 31. Lifestyle, people living in the plains and rivers valleys do. No need to write here. Agriculture is occupation. Fishing is the common in coastal areas. Then mining is common in plateau regions. Then people living in the mountains cannot do extensive agricultures. Hence there are the engage of the livestock up to fruits. Then the people of the mountains are also engaged in the tourism industry. This is the answer of F3. Then F4, explain the impact of external force in the formation of the landform. Page number 24. Page number 24, F4. First point, erosion is the process removal of earth's surface. Then you write from here, the process is slow and happen only up to many years. Then rain, no need to write this. Rain, winds move the sand from one place to another. Second point, this is the process of aggregation, collection of the erode material called the deposition. This is the answer of F4. Then F5, explain in short the type of islands. Same answer as F2. Page number 30, 31. Page number 30 and 31. Same as F2. If any problem, please contact with me. Thank you. God bless you all.